In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add checklists to Trello cards. If you're looking to stay organized, streamline your workflow, or ensure that no task gets overlooked, Trello's checklist feature is a game changer. Whether you're managing a project, planning an event, or simply trying to keep track of your personal to-dos, adding checklists to your Trello cards is a simple and effective way to break tasks into actionable steps. Stick with me, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll be a pro at using checklists to boost your productivity. To start, open your web browser and navigate to www.trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. From here, you'll need to sign into your account. Enter your email address, or if you prefer, you can use a sign-in option like Google or Microsoft. Next, type in your password and hit Login. Now give the page a moment to load. Once it does, you'll find yourself on your Trello home screen where all your boards are displayed. Now locate the board where you want to add your checklist and click on it. This will open up the board and display all the cards within it. Choose the specific card you want to work on. If you don't already have a card ready, you can create a new one by typing a title in the card creation box and pressing Enter. Once your card is open, look to the right-hand side of the card window here. You'll see a menu of options. Click on the one that says Checklist. You'll now be prompted to name your checklist. Choose a descriptive name that makes it clear what the checklist is for, such as To-Do, Pre-Launch, or QA steps. Once you've typed in the name, click Add, and just like that, your checklist will appear inside the card. Now it's time to start adding items to your checklist. Begin by typing the first task or item in the text box provided. Once you've entered it, press Enter to add it to the list. You can continue adding tasks in the same way, one at a time, in the order you plan to work on them. And don't worry if priorities change. You can easily drag items up or down within the checklist to reorder them. If you need to create more than one checklist within a card, simply repeat this process. Click on Checklist, give it a new name, and add the tasks as needed. As you work through your tasks, you can mark each one as complete by clicking the checkbox next to it. This will automatically update the progress bar at the top of your checklist, giving you a clear visual indicator of how much you've accomplished. If you need to make changes to your checklist, simply hover over any item. You'll see options to edit or delete the item right there. You can also click on the checklist title to rename it, or open the checklist menu to remove it entirely if it's no longer needed. For larger tasks, consider breaking them down into smaller, more manageable items. This helps maintain momentum and ensures you're making steady progress. And, to keep things clear for everyone on your team, make sure the wording of your checklist items is consistent and easy to understand. Finally, remember that checklists are saved directly on the card and are visible to all board members. This makes it easy for your team to stay aligned and track progress together. And that's it. You've just learned how to add, manage, and optimize checklists in Trello. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.